Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Restaurant Tycoon, and so I'm just getting some decorations. I just decorated my Tycoon, my restaurant, and so I'm just getting some entertainment services. I need to get one of these, and then no, not this one. I don't need that one. Maybe like a little. Some puzzle. I really like the sushi one, but I'm not a sushi. Here's the fish tank I was looking for. So we'll buy some. Okay, we bought 2 fish tanks, and then we need 1 more of these. Okay, let's go back to our tycoon now. I'm sorry for the background noise. My brother's watching a YouTube video. Teleport to tycoon. Teleport to tycoon. Okay. I need another worker, so we're gonna build. Did I get one of those grills? Okay, whatever. DJ booth. A DJ booth. Oh my god, okay. A DJ booth. Remove. Sell. We're gonna sell this. And we're gonna sell this. And then we're gonna remove. And we're gonna store this, store this, store this. And then we're gonna finish. Build. This. Some fish tank. A fish tank. And a DJ booth. Now I'm gonna hire 1 more worker. A waitress. Think so. Let's go ahead and start working this guy. No, not a waiter. Fire. You're fired. Waiter. No, not a waiter. Oh my god. A chef. I think. Okay, mine's British food, so. Gotta British food it. So let's go ahead and level up these 3. Maybe 1 more time. Yeet. Okay. Okay, so now I gotta collect all this money. Okay. Looks like my restaurant is getting good reviews and people are liking it. So I think I'm gonna sell this because nobody's getting a table of 2, a table of 1. Okay, let's go ahead and collect our money. Oh, I'm gonna give you guys a tour. Okay, here we go. So this is the front. I'm almost at a 5-star, guys. You see this? I'm almost at a 5-star. Just need service speed. Okay. So right when you walk in, you have a DJ booth over here, fish tank, some tables outside. I'm gonna add more tables, and then a grill over here. And then you have a drive-through over here. And then it's called Fancy Buffet. And then you got 6 tables of 2. Not 6 tables. 6 rows of tables for 2. And then I got back here 2 tables at 8. And then I have I think soft drink, smoothies, milkshake, hot drinks. And I got 3 chef tables and some music and a manager desk. Click here to use computer. Whoa! Okay. Restaurant views. Okay, let's go ahead and read some of these. This restaurant sure does stand out on the street. So I came with my friend. I just wanted to say them. I don't know what it is. Wow, this restaurant is this is the new restaurant in town. That was funny. Bart. So I tried out this new restaurant. I'm here to say the selection of meals outstanding. I'm going to come back here again every week. Okay, cool. Okay, and remember oh, I forgot to tell you guys about my workers. So I got 2 drive-through workers. How about I just show you on here? Okay. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Wait, how many workers do I have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, oh my god. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Got 14 workers. My restaurant, oh my god. If I ever get to a 5-star, I'm gonna be so happy. Cause like, why wouldn't you get a 5-star? Okay, let's see. 4.8. Okay. Entertainment. I got more entertainment. Well, let me turn some music on here. Okay, and then I got some design. Server speed. Oh my god, these people are so slow. Okay. Let's see what else I can show you guys. Well, I don't know if I can show you guys anything, but that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Sorry I haven't been uploading a lot, but I'll try to upload every week, and bye.